the difference between say, tell, speak, and talk. So let's just get straight into it. First of all, tell. So tell, general concepts. Tell means to give information to a person. So tell in present form, told in the past, are always followed by a person. So example, tell me about the movie, did you like it? Or tell your sister about the movie, did she like it? Or something like that, right? It just could be anything, but tell him, tell me, tell your boss, tell them about something. Yeah. And Peter, I told you not to eat any cookies before dinner. So in the past, right? I told you. You tell me, tell you, told you. That's it. And another example, I just told you about the difference with tell. Or I just told you about tell. A bit confusing. That's it. Okay. And tell me in the comments if you can use it correctly. Now, say general concepts. We have say present, said in the past. We can use these structures with it. So say something. Example, say hello. Hello. Right? Say goodbye. Goodbye. Say that something. A situation or an event. Example, he said that he lost his phone, maybe, and say something to a person. So you see the difference here. With tell me, but it's not possible. Say me. It's say something to me. Example, say hello to me. Again, I use hello. And it's possible a quotation, something a person said. So let's see an example of each. So number one, right, say something. We have Francis says she doesn't like chocolate. And that's says something, right? We could say he said he's tired. Maybe he said he's tired. So yeah, say something. Number two, say that something. Number two, I said that the new website design was great. Okay. And number three, say something to a person. So what did the teacher say to you? Right? It can be like this as a question, or the teacher, the structure, the teacher said, and maybe question to me, right? Example, the teacher said, what could it be? The teacher said, you are stupid to me when I failed the test. Or another example, the teacher said, work harder to me, right? Said something to me, or to him, to my friend. And number four, something a person said, yeah, the quotation. So, nice to meet you, Harry said. A question like, what did the teacher say to you? You are stupid, she said. Or you are smart, but you failed, she said, or he said. Yeah, it can be like this. The quotation. Okay. Now a common mistake. This is one, as I mentioned. Tell and person is okay, but say and person is not okay. So he said me that he had to leave is not good. He told me that he had to leave is correct. But he said that he had to leave to me is correct. Right? Remember the structure. He said he had to leave to me, or he said that he has to leave or had to leave. Okay. And now speak. So general concepts of speak. Speak and spoke, past and present. Let's say present and past. With languages and with talking in general, no specific details. So we can use speak with someone or speak to someone. Example, I am speaking with nobody now, or I am speaking with you, I am speaking to you, I am speaking to my friend, or he speaks to her every day, something like this. I spoke to you yesterday, I spoke with you yesterday. There are many, many combinations. Okay, and it can be with languages, like I speak English, you speak French, right? Okay, so here are some examples with speak, and we have number one, I speak English, which, let me go back, is about the language. I speak some language, I speak English, I speak German. Number two, does Donna speak Italian? Yeah, like person, speak, language. And number three, Emma is going to speak in front of 500 people at the conference. Right, so here speak is talking in general, is with your mouth, but no details. So, see, Emma is going to speak, yeah, at the conference, say something, or she's going to talk. This is okay. And number four, general conversation, no details. We spoke to the boss this morning. This is okay. Speak to someone, speak with someone. Yeah, we don't have no details about the conversation. And number five, I need to speak with you about the new project. So yeah, general project, general topic, no details about the project. Yeah, with details, it's better tell. I need to tell you about this, very specific. So yeah, speak is more general. And now talk, finally. This is the same, really. Speak with, talk with, speak to, talk to, and yeah, that's it, really. So you cannot use talk with languages. This is the only difference. Like, yeah, I don't talk Chinese. Is it correct? No, it's not. Better, I don't speak Chinese. Yeah. But it's possible I don't talk your language, maybe? No, still speak. Always speak with language. So that's it. Okay, so they are the same except with languages. And now a quiz. So let's read it, and you must fill it in. Is it say, tell, speak, or talk? So please, something, me, the truth. So we have a person here, right? So what would it be? I need to know what really happened. So please tell me the truth. Okay, number two, can I something to the manager, please? It's urgent. Can I speak to the manager, or can I talk to the manager, please? All right, remember they are the same, speak, talk, except languages. And don't anything if you're not sure. Would be say, don't say anything if you're not sure. We say something. So don't say this, don't say that, don't say anything. They always about politics at dinner. You can say at dinner, during dinner, for dinner. Well, no, not for dinner. Just at dinner, during dinner would be best. Okay, so any idea? They always talk or speak. Speak about politics. Okay, and I should mention that it's a general topic, right? So it's possible, speak about, talk about. And here, I want to a few words before we start the meeting. So this is something I want to say. I want to say a few words before we start the meeting. Okay, and I think finally, did she something you that she was moving to London? Important, we have the person here. So did she tell you that she was moving to London? All right, And no, she didn't tell me, I could say. She didn't tell me that she was moving to London. Yeah. Okay. So you got the idea. You can watch it back, of course, if you need to check anything again. But that was it. The difference between say, tell, speak, and talk. So I'll see you in the next one.